Hi everyone, welcome back to Single Step English, where we help you improve your spoken English one step at a time. I'm Steve, and today we're going to learn about the idiomatic expression, make up your mind. Make up your mind is a common idiom in English that means to make a decision or choose between options. It's something we all do every day, but using this phrase can make your English sound more natural and fluent. For example, imagine you're at a restaurant and you can't decide between pizza and pasta. Your friend might say, "Come on, make up your mind. The server is waiting." Let's look at another example. Suppose you're trying to decide whether to go to a party or stay home and study. Your friend might say, "You need to make up your mind about your plans for tonight." Remember, make up your mind can be used in any situation where a decision needs to be made. It's a really helpful expression to know. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Single Step English, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.